Curious if you could change your health and your appearance with your thoughts? Well, guess what? That's what we're going to talk about today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So, I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're talking about how you can change your health, improve your health, and change your appearance using law of attraction, positive thinking, and these sort of beliefs. So, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Wednesday, Sunday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. Okay, quick disclaimer. This video is not intended to replace any professional medical advice. Please do not stop taking any medication or stop seeing your doctor or anything like that without talking to a doctor or a medical physician. We are simply just going to talk about positive thinking and how you can actually change things with positive thinking, okay? So I need to put that disclaimer in there. Something just tells me to do it, so I'm going to do it. I did it. Done. Okay. So let's talk about changing our appearance and our health using positive thinking. Now, I'm a big believer in this, and I've actually changed some of my own appearance and health issues using the law of attraction and positive thinking. And so let's actually talk about how to do it. So basically, right, how we want to do it is we want to create a new story because our thoughts actually create, okay? So for instance, okay, here's an example. If you want to change the appearance and have clear skin, clear, even skin, then what we want to do is every time you say, think about it, look in the mirror, you want to create the new story that you tell yourself. So let's say you've got bags under your eyes, right? You want to create a story that is like, I am so happy and grateful that under my eyes look young and youthful. Okay, let's say you want clear skin. You got acne, you want clear skin. I intend to have clear skin. I intend for my skin to be clear. I'm so happy and grateful my skin is clear. Let's say that you want a more even complexion. I intend for my complexion to be even, okay? Let's say, for instance, you've got, say, a bad back, okay? I intend to have a strong, healthy back. I intend for my back to feel good. Let's say, for instance, there's some blood pressure concerns. Okay. I am so happy and grateful that my blood pressure is always 122/83. I'm so happy and grateful that my knees are strong and work great. So really what you want to do is you want to take whatever health concern or physical appearance that you want to change about yourself. You want to take a look at it and you want to get specific about what your outcome's going to be. I want to be in perfect health and I want this part of my body to look different or to act differently. Then what you do is you get clear on that. And then every time you're reminded or you think about your health or you look in the mirror, you say your new story. I am so happy and grateful that my skin is clear. I'm so happy and grateful that my legs look amazing. Okay, say you want to lose weight. Okay, find your goal weight. Okay, so I am so happy and grateful I'm 140 pounds. I'm so happy and grateful that I make time to work out and that I eat well. And when you create these declarations, you'll automatically be in the mindset and your mind will automatically start to make them happen. Now, when it comes to changing things with your health and your appearance, it also helps to visualize yourself looking like the new you, because that gives yourself a mental picture that you're going to be working into, right? So the other thing as well is with the blood pressure would be a good idea to actually visualize the blood pressure machine saying 122/83. Okay, now these things can be changed and these things happen all the time. Just look at science and the placebo effect. There's numerous stories out there where people were given a sugar pill, they take it, and all of a sudden they get cured because they believed that that pill would cure them. So if you believe something is going to work, it's going to work. Okay. So when you go on a diet, it's all about the mental attitude that you have towards that diet. So a girlfriend of mine, she wanted to lose weight and I hypnotized her. And before I did the hypnosis on her, she said no diet worked. And so we did hypnosis, and all of a sudden after that, about a week later, she says, you know what? She's like, I found this great diet and it's totally working. She's like, no diet's ever worked for me before. Well, I mean, that diet was similar to other diets she tried before. The difference is this time, after she was hypnotized, she believed that that diet was going to work. And it did. She dropped like 80 pounds in like 9 months. It was absolutely amazing. I was so proud of her. So it's really just about believing something is going to work and then constantly telling yourself the new story. Okay. So I used to have, I don't know if you can tell in my old videos, that my complexion was a little bit more uneven and some darker and lighter skin for a little bit of skin damage. What I did every day was I looked in the mirror when I saw it and I said, I am so happy and grateful that I have even skin tone. I'm so happy and grateful that my skin tone is even. And then sure enough, after saying that for a while, I totally forgot that I even had a problem with my skin tone. And then one day I was looking in the mirror and I was like, wow, you know what? I'm actually looking pretty good these days. Like my skin's looking pretty even. And someone actually commented on it. And I was like, ah, you're right. So it's about focusing on what we want and creating a new story. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm in perfect health. I'm so happy and grateful, and go through and state what you want. The other big thing that I will say is avoid recreating your current health issues. So when we're out with friends and family, and when somebody's talking about it, avoid talking about the health issue, right? Because that's just going to create more of it in your world. Instead, maybe not talk about it at all, or act as if saying, you know what? Oh my goodness, my back's been feeling so much better lately. It's been feeling amazing. Or, I found this great new product and my skin's been clearing up nicely, So always talk as if you're having it happen and avoid recreating the situation by talking about the state that your health is in now. You want to avoid that at all costs and keep focused on what your end result's going to be. Anyways, yes, I hope that helps. Remember, you know what? It works. There's many, many stories in the medical community about the placebo effect working, and the main ingredient for this placebo effect is our thoughts, and keeping our thoughts on believing that it's going to happen. Anyways, yes, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And until the next video, I intend for each and every one of you to be in perfect health. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.